In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable camera on Android phone and fix not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Let's say you're trying to use your camera on one of your applications, like let's say Snapchat, for example. We'll use that as an example. And let's say it's not working. That could be really annoying since, using the camera is one of the main things in here. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application. Scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see apps as one of the options. Now over here, find whichever application you're having an issue with when it comes to using your camera. And we're obviously going to be using Snapchat. So I'm going to go over to S and go ahead and find Snapchat. Go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to see permissions as one of the options. And if microphone or camera is in not allowed, you want to switch it to allowed right there. As you can see, it's now allowed. And then that's it. You want to also switch to allow only while using the application. Don't put it on ask every time, otherwise it literally will just ask you every time you open the app, which is not what you want. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.